The city of North Miami is up and running again, at least partially. That's after an IT hack stalled services for days. CBS News Miami's Nikaya Carrero joins us live with the bumps still in the road there. Nikaya.
That's right, Elliot. This cyber attack has really affected business here this last week. Online bill pay, it's still down. But today, City Hall still reopened with limited services. And now the mayor is revealing he was the victim of this cyber attack and the target.
Then I come in to pay my bill. I cannot pay. That's it. And I leave.
City Hall reopened Monday morning and people showed up to pay their bills. But if they didn't have cash or a check, they were out of luck.
Everything went smooth. I paid my bill, I got my receipt, and I'm happy.
Because the water bill is too high. We don't have enough money to pay for cash money. So I tried to pay in credit card. I still cannot pay it because the system is down.
On Sunday, the mayor of North Miami sent out an update to residents saying his information was breached. In part, he said, "This incident, which targeted me as your mayor, resulted in unauthorized access to my personal Gmail accounts. As a result, sensitive personal information, including my passport details, bank statements, credit cards, and private images, were potentially compromised. I want to emphasize that this violation involved my personal accounts and not those of the city of North Miami." Now residents want to know if their personal information is at risk.
That concerned me because I usually pay by check, and they could have your check information. Sometimes I pay online, and they can even get your email and hack into your home system.
The resident in North Miami, we're struggling to pay the bill. We don't know we don't know who gonna come to resolve the problem.
Now, the mayor also said he is not sure at this time if other people's information was compromised, but the city said it continues to work to get things back up and running at full capacity. In North Miami, Nikaya Carrero, CBS News, Miami.